Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently made two purchases from Sephora, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. I have tried some of these items, but not all of them. So yeah, let's get right into the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And if you haven't entered my giveaway that I'm having on my channel right now, then make sure that you do. I will have the video up here or I will just link it down below. You have until March 23rd to enter. So make sure you do. So I recently wanted to start taking care of my skin better. I've always worn moisturizers. I've always, washed off my makeup before going to bed, but I've never invested in good creams or anything like that. But recently I just decided to do so, and I've noticed a big difference. I have a lot of texture on this side of my face, but now I notice that has gone away quite a bit. My pores aren't as large as they used to be. I recently decided to purchase this mattifying cream. It's by the company called Origins, and it's a matte moisturizer with willow herb. This cream is so good, you guys. I think it's like $40, but this is so good. I know it's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. It says leave skin perfectly primed to go. It's an oil-free perfecting hydrator, instantly boosts moisture, formulated with pink rock, rose, and willow herb. It helps boost glow, refine texture, even tone, and minimize pores for a soft, smooth look and feel. You'll look refreshed, vibrant, and glowing. And you get a mattified glow. I don't know how to explain it, but basically it moisturizes your face without leaving it greasy. It just mattifies it. My face can get pretty greasy throughout the day, and so I don't want my foundation caking up, or I don't want it, breaking apart. So I apply this first, and then I apply my primer, and then my foundation, and my makeup just looks flawless all day long. Another thing that I decided to buy is this water sleeping mask, and I put this on at night. It's just a water sleeping mask, and it's to purify and moisturize your skin, and it says to just use twice a week. So I have been using this, and you just wake up with plumpier skin. You just look moisturized, and your face isn't dry or flaky or anything like that, because I used to get a lot of dry skin around my nose, in between my eyebrows, and now I don't have any of that. Thanks to these two guys, I feel like they have just made a world of a difference with my skin. It does leave your skin feeling a little bit tacky, so you kind of have to like lay on your back for a few minutes before you can kind of roll over onto your side, because yeah, it'll get on your pillowcase anyways, so just wait for it to completely dry before, rolling over on your side. So another thing that I picked up from Sephora is this egg mousse pack, and it's by the company Too Cool for School. I have not tried this out, but it does just look like this. So it says it's an egg mousse pack facial mask, and it says to pump suitable amount into dry hands and apply evenly on clean face. Massage and rinse off with water. And it just says makes rough, dull skin smooth and radiant in 5 minutes. So like I said, I have texture on my face, so I do try to look for moisturizers or face masks that are going to, make my face look smoother and not so rough looking. So I can't wait to try this. It smells really good. I've tried their moisturizer. It's amazing, but it's always sold out. I can never get my hands on it. Another thing I picked up from Sephora is their Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is my second time purchasing it. This is so good as well. It just keeps your face looking very matte, and it just keeps your foundation on all day, and it prevents any creasing, or if you get oily, it prevents that. It helps like brighten and boost your skin's radiance, and your skin just looks way smoother. And it has such a nice packaging. So pretty. Okay, I also picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette. This is just what it looks like, and it comes with primary colors, just a bunch of cool tones, warm tones, and you can mix them up with the primary colors to create your own shade. I can create, looks for Instagram, have like a funky lip color, I don't know. So I picked this up, and I can't wait to try it out. Okay, another thing that I got, I have 3 more things to show you guys. So I picked up the Soft Glam palette. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. I haven't played with it, but I picked it up. I had to. Anastasia Beverly Hills comes out with the best palettes. My favorite one is the Modern Renaissance palette. It's so good. So I wanted to get this one because the shades are absolutely stunning. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram already, but this is what the shades look like. They're so beautiful. I can't wait to dip into this palette. It's so pretty. I love the shades. I just can't wait. My husband's like, don't you have those shades already? I'm like, no, they're totally different. Last but not least, I picked up some liquid lipstick. So I picked up the shade Stripped and ASHTON. I'm wearing ASHTON right now. ASHTON. I can't say that word. These are a little bit pricey, but they're so beautiful. So I picked up Stripped, which just looks like this. I will swatch it for you guys. So that is Stripped. So those are the shades there. I really like her liquid lipsticks. The only thing is that I do find them to be a little bit drying and they make your lips look a little bit like cracked. So all I do is I apply a little bit of lip balm and then I apply these on top, and it really does make a difference. That's a tip if you find that not only this liquid lipstick but any liquid lipstick is too drying for you, just add a lip balm and it'll definitely help with that dry feeling. And yeah, those are all the things that I have recently purchased from Sephora. I definitely recommend this moisturizer out of everything because it's so good. I'm telling you guys, it will change your whole makeup look. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What else? Don't forget to join my giveaway. I think I said that at the beginning. And yeah, I think that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.